Write an expression equivalent to b to the 11th power divided by b to the 4th power in the form b to the nth power. Alright, so what this question is asking us to do is to take this expression b to the 11th divided by b to the 4th power and to rewrite it so that there's only one base and one value for the power. One integer, just one number in that location. Now, if you take a look over here, this exponent rule is kind of the quick way to get this problem done. This exponent rule is the quotient rule, which says that if we have the same base being divided, then we can take the powers and rewrite this as the same base with just the subtraction of the powers. So, what would that look like in our case? Let's take a look. Well, we have b to the 11th power divided by b to the 4th power. Our common base is the letter b. And then we have our top value 11, our bottom value 4. So we can apply this rule 11 minus 4, which would then equal b to the 7th power. Alright, so that would complete the question, but let's take a little bit of a closer look to confirm this as our answer. Now, what does b to the 11th represent? B to the 11th represents the multiplication of 11 b's. B to the 4th power represents the multiplication of 4 b's. So if we take a look at this expression expanded out, then that would be b times b times b, 4 of them, 5 of them, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost ran out of room. And down below, we would have b times b times b times b. Alright, well, I know I didn't write them perfectly here, but still get the job done. Now let's take a look at one division pair here. You have b divided by b. So what does that mean? What is the value of b divided by b? Well, what we know about dividing any number by itself is that it equals 1. So same holds true for these variables. B divided by b equals 1. So if we take a look up at this fraction, then these reduce. They become 1. And if we keep on looking down the rest, well, there's another b that matches with another b in the denominator. They divide perfectly, and they become 1. We continue. There's another b, matches with another b, numerator to denominator only, and they cancel out, they reduce. They're both 1s. And we see that we can do this one more time, with one more b matching one more b in the numerator from the denominator, and now we see that those are all just a value of 1. So this top now reads 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times b, and we have 7 more of them. Down below, once used to have b to the 4th, now we just have 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. So if we take a look at how many b's are remaining, there are 7 of them. And how do we write that expression? B to the 7th power. So let's go over here to the item and let's enter our answer. Now we know that we want to use these keys down here to try and help us enter this answer. And so if I click on B and I click on 7, well, that's not exactly how I want the 7 to look. I need it to be a power. And so if you take a look down here at these structures, here's your fraction structure, here's your power structure. So if I click on this, this will give me the ability to write the 7 as an exponent. So if I click on that button, come over here, click on the 7, and then I can now enter in this as my answer and move on to the next item.